So if you've been watching world events unfold, you're probably at this point waiting for the other shoe to drop. We all know that food shortages are an inescapable problem that we face when disaster strikes. Today, I got a way to bolster your food supply for an incredibly affordable price. We're looking at this from My Patriot Supply. This is a 72-hour kit. Let's tear into it, see what's inside. All right, folks, welcome back. So if you've been to my website recently, that preparewithiridium.com that I talk about at the end of videos, that is my Patriot Supply site. Usually on the main page are the monthly deals. We have 2 monthly deals on there. The one I really wanted to highlight is the second one, if you scroll down the page a little bit. And this is the 72-hour kit. This is an absolutely amazing deal, just for this month only. I just was made aware of it because I checked the website and I didn't scroll down. My bad, but I am bringing it to you today so you can check it out and see what's in there. This is basically 2,000 calories for one person for an average of 3 days. Pretty darn cool in its own little package right here. We're going to open it up and see what's inside. I do want to cut it open because I probably want to reseal it, and my clumsy hands will destroy the darn bag. So let's cut it open and see what's inside. Now remember, this stuff is good for 25 years, so basically you keep it in a cool, dry place for a good long time, and this food will be just as fresh as it is right now. So opening up the bag, we got some home-style potato soup, and we're going to try a couple of these out. There we go. Okay, Maple Grove oatmeal. This is very good, by the way. I've had that before. Okay. So there's your breakfast. Now, again, you're going to be portioning these. You're not going to be eating all these at one sitting. This isn't 3 days worth of food where I'm going to have this for breakfast, that for lunch, that for dinner, and go, hey, where's my food? You're going to be portioning this out. The mac and cheese, again, really good. We've actually tried that before. And the creamy chicken and flavored rice. So I think we're going to do the rice and mac and cheese just to show you the main part of the meal. And again, this is something you're going to be portioning out. What I suggest is that you do it all at once. Cook it all at once, and then put some aside for your next meal or whatever. It's a little bit hard to separate these bags. That's something I've experienced. They say to open it up, bring 5 cups of water to a boil, whisk in the contents, and reduce to a medium heat. Let it stand for 3 or 4 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, I'm sorry. So that's generally what I do with these, is I'll portion it out a little bit, and I'll make myself, maybe I'll make this and this one meal, and then eat a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now, this is filler food. This is not super healthy, high-end, nutrition. This is food to get you by in an emergency, and that's why this is so important. And for $27, $27.95. So let's be honest. Let's say $28. You can't beat that. You can't buy one bag of freeze-dried food for $28. So let's get this all set up. I'll get some water boiling. We're gonna try this thing out and see if we like it still. All right. So I got 5 cups in here for the creamy chicken rice, and 4.5 cups in here for the mac and cheese. I believe that's what it says. Yep, 4.5 cups of water. So we're going to start this stuff off, get it cooking, and once the water's boiling, I'll bring you back, and we'll tell you a little bit more about it as we prepare it. All right, so we got this boiling. I got time here to tell you a little bit about these. Now, all of these have oxygen absorbers inserted in the packaging. There's no MSG added, okay? And every time you eat these, they're just as fresh as they were 25 years from now, okay? So if you need to pull these out in 15 years and eat them, they're going to be just as fresh as they were. Total on the water, so just so you notice what to store. The whole pack, all 4 meals, will take about 1.4 gallons of water to prepare the whole kit, okay? And the kit weighs about 2.75 pounds, I believe. This is an awesome way to store some emergency calories really, really quickly. Now, what I like to do with this stuff, because it's all flavored and there's no meat in it actually, is what I like to do is add stuff to it. So maybe with this creamy chicken flavored rice, I have a can of canned chicken, and I just toss it in there after it's cooked. Stuff like that can kind of extend the range of your meals. But for base products, these are awesome. And of course, the oatmeal, you can eat that plain just for breakfast. That's great. Now, one thing I did want to mention, this is the second deal on my website, preparewithiridium.com. The first deal is the 3-month emergency food supply, okay? And that's $200 off this month, okay? That's 2,000 calories a day, 22 varieties up to 25 years shelf life. You got breakfast, dinners, lunches, snacks. Everything is in the resealable heavy-duty 4-layer bags like these. These are resealable. And it's over 120 pounds of food. That's dehydrated, okay? Again, no MSG, no junk in there. They're sealed in 6 rugged water-resistant buckets, okay? And it ships for free. That is on sale for $200 off. It's around $600. It was $797. Now it's $597. So you're going to save $200 on that kit too. And all in all, got to say, I've eaten this food. I have a good amount of it put back and stored just because I purchased it. So I got to say it's good stuff. You know, I've never had any kind of bad tastes or anything from it. It's really good food. So let's let this water boil up. We're going to dump the stuff in, and then we're going to come back and test it. Now, remember I said this is going to be a whole lot of food here, okay? This is going to be like maybe 3 lunches, okay? So you want to part it out. You know, you don't want to all cook it all at once and eat it all at once, because then you got, you know, okay, there's my 1 day of food. Now what, you know? So let's get it all set up, get this stuff rolling, and I'll bring you back in. All right, so the creamy chicken flavored mushroom, creamy chicken flavored rice, I'm sorry. I wanted to say mushroom and rice. Okay, let's pour that in there. And of course, I always forget to take out the oxygen absorber. Always, never fails. All right, so I'm going to give this a good mix. We're going to let this kind of boil up, and then we're going to take it down to a simmer. That should get us the desired result. But you do want to make sure you're breaking up everything in here. There you go. So it's all smooth. You don't want any clumps of anything. Now, I'm going to try the mac and cheese, because that's going. And I knew I was going to leave that one in there. They're buried on the bottom, so I couldn't see them. So now that this is bubbling, I'm going to take it down a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to mix the mac and cheese. I'm going to mix these up. There we go. I'm going to move it back and forth there. So we have a little mac and cheese in our chicken. Chicken and rice. Anyway, let's let this go for a few minutes, and we'll come back and give it a taste test, let you see what it looks like, and let you see if this might be right for you. For $28, great way to add some stuff to your preps, even on a budget. So let's let it cook up, bring you right back. All right, so I let it simmer. I let it low roll boil for about 10 minutes, and I let it simmer for 10. It says 20 total, but it always comes out good when you do it that way. Kind of half and half. So let's take a little bit of the mac and cheese here so you can see what it looks like. And I've already tested it a little bit, but I will give it a shot on camera here. There you go. Nice and creamy mac and cheese. Good stuff, I'll tell you. It's really good mac and cheese. All right, we're going to mix a little of the mac and cheese in with the rice, because I don't have a second scoop out here. So we're going to scoop up some of that. And here is the creamy rice. Take a look at that. There we go. And there's the rice. Now, like I said, with this, you can throw some chicken in this. You know, canned chicken. Oh, God, so good. Just perfect. A little bit hot, but absolutely perfect. So, great deal. Great way to add even some filler if you already have a lot of food. And for $28, $27.95, can't beat it. So the deal will be down there below at my Patriot Supply site, which is preparewithiridium.com. Preparewithiridium.com. Just click that link. You don't need any codes. You don't need anything. Just go to the site. And if you're interested in buying it, you can just click it and go into the site and see it. If you want to check out other stuff on My Patriot Supply, you go to my site. And right above my picture is that little My Patriot Supply logo. Just click that logo, and it will take you right into the rest of the page. And you'll get to see everything else that's on that site for sale. They do have some good stuff. Probably of all the Patriot companies, My Patriot Supply has some of the better stuff. And I've tested a lot of it. Really like it. Definitely like the food. The food is a good way to bolster your food supply right now, or even just start it out with something. This is a great way to get something started. So that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do remember to check them out. It's at preparewithiridium.com for this deal. The 72-hour kit, $27.95. Can't beat it. All right, folks, don't forget to check out all our other links down below. We have our Freeze Dry Wholesalers link. That link saves you 15% on your order, whatever you order down there. Great food, individual contents. You cook what you want. You know, from everything from chicken to filet mignon to cheesecake to everything. Below that, our Thrive Life food store. Those are the 3 companies that I trust with my emergency preparedness food. Both My Patriot Supply, Freeze Dry Wholesalers, and Thrive. Great stuff. Check them out down below. And, of course, our Amazon affiliate store. If there's nothing in that store you like, just shop using that link. It really helps out the channel, bring you lots of cool content. I thank you guys for hanging out with me today and doing a little cooking. Stay safe and stay prepared.